So to start today's video off, you guys, I just want to show you what's going on with the chart. So as you can see here, we have finally gotten the 120-day moving average to start trending upwards, which we have not seen since last July. Around mid-July, we started seeing a 120-day moving average just pull on down. And now we're starting to finally make that a little bit of a reversal just based off of new Bitcoin ETF possibly coming out. Of course, nothing is confirmed yet. We are still waiting on that, but I do predict that whenever we hear that news that we're going to go absolutely crazy on the charts. As I mean, you're just going to see a ton of investors just spill into the market wanting to buy up Bitcoin through that ETF. And of course, we're also sitting relatively low on the RSI here in the MACD. We're looking pretty flat, but this is the 4-hourly chart. Now I want to show you guys the weekly chart. The weekly chart is also pretty interesting. We are starting to obviously make new highs here. We did end up closing above our price target that we needed to on the last weekly candle. So that's very good news. We broke out of a little bit of a descending triangle. So that's obviously what we want to see. And on the weekly chart, obviously we have a lot of room to grow here in order to get above this 120-day moving average. But yeah, so we're going to go back here to the charts. And a price target that I'm looking forward in the distant future here is basically are more of a resistance when we eventually get up to that point where the ETF comes out. If it does, we don't even know if it will come out. You know, it could get blocked for all we know. But if we do see that ETF come out, we could see it shoot easily up into 2,000 and maybe even a little bit more. But $2,000 is the next massive resistance, really, for a big move. As you can see here, we do have another resistance here at just under $19,000, but we're not looking for that. I'm trying to just keep track of where we could go if, you know, this ETF does come out. That's really the main thing that I wanted to focus on here today. And another thing in the news, as you can see here, Sam Bankman-Fried, as you guys obviously know, the founder of FTX, got criminally charged, and he's convicted of 7 counts. So of course he's got to go into court again to get sentenced and all of that stuff. But he was found guilty on all 7 charges. So that's obviously good news for crypto. We need to put that scumbag in jail respectfully. And yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I just wanted to make a quick update here, showing you guys, you know, if that Bitcoin ETF does come out, where we can see crypto going. And of course, I am looking at the Ethereum chart. This is more of an Ethereum channel. If you guys do want me to break down other cryptos, let me know. Also, do you guys like these shorter style videos, or do you want me to make longer videos? Let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys for watching.